So what we try to accomplish here is when you have a YouTube video and you want to collect email addresses with your email account, you can get this link, you can get a domain, a proper domain. For example, I set up timesystem.pro here. When I click on it, it's redirected to a Notion page. And within the Notion page, there's a fill-out form. I can put in the email address, or your viewer can put in the email, the name and the email address, and submit it. Boom, there we go. Thank you so much. And they receive a freebie, and yeah, like a PDF or an ebook or a video or whatever content you created. And yeah, as a thank you for submitting their proper email address. Yeah, it's now sent to the email address. Yeah, this will be quite helpful because oftentimes I experience that these links are broken, especially when you uploaded hundreds of videos across all the yeah, all the streams with proper evergreen videos. People might want to watch like 10 years from now. You have this link, and even though you don't use Notion sites anymore, or you will use a different technology, this one will always stay the same. So let's go here. What are we going to do? You know, the prerequisites are get a Namecheap register account. I use the Namecheap, but you can use also like GoDaddy or Cloudflare itself. Then create this is the only paid thing. It costs like $2 or $3 a year to get your own domain registered. You can be a bit creative, like yeah, I was getting help from Steven. He came up with timesystem.pro. That's quite a nice name. And I will also register today as example tick.tips. Currently, it is not there yet. It's not working yet. Tick.tips. There we go. And nothing is opening here. Boom. Send back an error. Not found. So next thing is a free Cloudflare account. Then if you don't have an email account, or you want to have an explicit, let's say, spam account for this thing, so bots are not writing you, or people don't don't write you and spamming your inbox. You can use this Gmail. Yeah, you can create a new Gmail account. I did this with with my Figured Out email account. And yeah, you also need to create a free Notion account and a fill-out account. This is very cool because it has unlimited amount of forms in the fill-out, and email addresses can be stored unlimited. Like there's no limit. You can like 100,000 people or 500,000 people can subscribe, and there's no limitation. It's just added to a database of yours. And that's it. The only limit here for a free account might be the fill-out form. That is like one fill-out account is only collecting in the free version 1,000 submissions per month. But over a year, let's say 12 months, you can then collect 12,000 email addresses, which is more than enough for the beginning, and you will probably be able to sell something or monetize it in one way or another if you have over 12,000 email addresses to get a paid account. Maybe then not with fill-out, but with a with an email collection tool. I call it like Mailchimp or GetResponse or something like that. But this again has I don't set it up at the beginning because it has a limit of 1,000 email addresses per se. Like if you have 1,000 contacts, it stops collecting. So that's quite a limitation, and I don't want it. And also, like lots of these pages have limitations to export then the email addresses. If you, for example, want to move to Kajabi or something to sell online courses, it's quite difficult to export the email addresses that are yours, right? You owned you earned it in a way, and yeah, they don't give it away. So that's why I came up with a setup: Fill-out, Notion, and Namecheap Cloudflare. The Cloudflare account is mostly to get a proper SSL certificate. That's why Cloudflare. Cloudflare, and I sound like I'm getting a stroke. Yeah, this is how it's done. I made a little mermaid diagram. This is the Namecheap one, and this is the only paid one. DNS sec needs to be active. That's what the biggest issue is, or was why the SSL certificate from HTTPS forwarding was not working. Then you get a Cloudflare SSL certificate, even on the free plan. That's quite cool. You can also activate some workers here to make a different use of your domain, so it still stays, for example, a tick.tips or something. But I'm not going into this with this video. There's another guy that's doing an amazing video on this. So yeah, that's going to a Notion homepage. On the Notion homepage, there is a fill-out form embedded, and when the fill-out form is tackled, then it's going back to a Notion database to collect the email there, and also within the fill-out form, there's the email or like the submission collection happening. And there is also a Notion site with a freebie where you can upload a video or embed a video or upload a PDF or multiple PDFs or a link list or whatever content or whatever value you want to give to your customer in the video. And this can be sent then from, let's just say, a free Gmail account. But you can also connect your email to the Namecheap domain. But it will cost more, like a few more euros. So you need to have a mail server running somewhere, and Gmail gives this for free. So with 15 gigabytes and or 20 gigabytes depending. And I'm using this for free, for the Gmail account for free for like 20 years, without getting full or yeah. I still got space there. So that's what we want to do now. Jump right into it. I haven't set up tick.tips yet. You see, it's not set up there. Also, no HTTPS there. It's not working, and also there's no www. Let's put it like this. Okay, this one will redirect me to Namecheap, but still, it's not set up properly. And what many people think should work is something like this. I log into my Namecheap. I already bought this TickTips domain, also a few others. Also put it on sale, as always. If someone wants to pay like a few €100,000, he can buy a domain from me. Why not? And yeah, there we go. Then yeah, what usually the people are doing, they do something like URL redirect or something, mask it, and it should work, but for some reason it doesn't work. So yeah, also there's no SSL certificate. You can get it on Namecheap, but you have to pay for it. The free solution would be Cloudflare. Now we're going to Cloudflare right in. This is all active, and I get another free plan here. Tick.tips. Thank you, Stephen, for this amazing creativity. You came up with this name. I love it still. That's really cool. And yeah, I select the free plan. That's everything we need. And now it's scanning the registrar from Namecheap and pulling everything here down here that is found so far. And because we don't need any of them, I delete them all. And there you go. So continue to activation. It will complain. Okay, I will add them later. So what do we need to do first is connecting the name servers to the domain. So in Namecheap. So if in Namecheap if I have something in Namecheap, if I'm going here, it's taking the name servers of Cloudflare. It has also benefit because the cloud servers are extremely fast, which will in turn help you later on with ranking and all this stuff. So let's go here, custom name servers. Let's go here. Let's go to the domain. I think it needs to be set up here. Yes, custom DMS. There we go. Put it in here. Copy and put it in here. It can take up and it can take a few hours. That's why I'm starting with it here. Take 48 hours even. Oh, getting longer and longer. You have to continue and check name servers. No, it's probably not set up yet, but it's not checking it, so that's cool. Okay, the next thing is DNS secure. To make and this is the most important thing to get HTTPS working, is to enable DNS secure for Cloudflare, else it's not working properly. Yeah, we have the algorithm number 13, and we have the digest type SHA-256, and Namecheap luckily is supporting this one. I click this button. Now you see here there is the number 13, ECDSA SHA-265, and here is the SHA-265. And there we go with a key tag. Here's a key tag and some digestion. Let's digest it. I hope you won't hack me here in my little account, but let's see. Then I need to save it all. I will change it anyways after the video, but yeah, just mention it. So there you go. And you don't have to close it like I just did. It says still invalid name servers, but it just takes a bit for it to work properly. So let's go, settings here, DNS, okay, the setup is here. And it will take a while, 10 minutes up to 24 hours. So it's warning that it might take a bit longer, but if you're lucky, it's much quicker today. Let's check the DNS record. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. That's it. Now everything is set. The name server is set, and this beautiful DNS security. So it says that the Namecheap is taking over the security, but basically the Cloudflare is taking it over. So there we go. Then the next thing is to get redirect to a Notion page, but to redirect to some page, we need to have a page first, right? So let's go here. How to do it with a Notion page is quite simple. You press this key, or you go here on the plus button and type in page, and this will be my landing page. Inside the landing page, there comes the fill out form. There we go. Now I share it, publish it, and publish it. And now this is quite long. I will make it a bit shorter. So that should be it. Landing page or tick.tips. Is it possible to save it like this? No. Tick tips, is that possible? Yes, this is possible. So I got this beautiful page here and a proper naming. That's quite cool in Notion. I love Notion so much. So, and then this is all working with the free one. Then I force it to be dark, so we can be consistent with the dark mode also on the fill out form. I can upload an image. Let's take an old favicon from a Kajabi page here. Upload this image. This is set. Publish the changes. Let's do that. Check the sites settings. Duplication can be turned off. And manage sites and links. Okay, there we go. Also, you can set up your own domain here, and you can select a homepage to yours. So it will if you put this ingomichalski.notion site, it will come to my Ingo Michalski homepage. Yeah, there you go. Search, and you can actually even put in activate search engine indexing all this stuff, but I don't want this. So let's share it and test it first. It's very important to test everything we are doing. There we go. TickTips source copy. So perfect, it's working. So the next thing is this one. There we go. Next thing is we put in some rules, page rules, and this is for redirection. Create a page rule for redirection. And now we need to get some with www and without www. That's so it's catching all the tick tips slash this one. Select URL redirect or something, forward URL. That's cool. Now we can make it permanent. Put in this email, this URL. Okay, and because we don't have an IP address, you put in this one or discard if requested. So tick.tips is going here. You could as well put in an add or whatever. Yeah, so that's creating a record. That's you remember that one. You can also access it through the DNS. That's the ones we deleted before because we wanted to create it anew. Then the same thing we put in here with the www on the bottom. Tick.tips dash and asterisk. Then we put in here the forwarding URL. You can also make it permanent again. Put in here, save and deploy the rule. And we can also do this one, create a CNAME. This one is for IP version 6, this is IP version 4, and CNAME is here for change name basically, yeah. It's meaning this. So there we go. Let's see if that's working. And it's invalid because I don't need this one. And it doesn't want this one. So let's create a record. Record here. Okay, so I missed something. Just put it in here. Yeah, okay, it's just www. That's perfect. So now it looks like this. And we got two redirection rules, page rules, and let's see how that's going. This is with the www, this is without www, so that should be fine. Let's test if it's maybe already working. It's not working yet because the name servers are not set properly, and maybe this is also not working yet. Okay, that's cool. It just takes a while. Tick.tips. So there we go. And another thing we need to do is to put a text file here. Time system tick.tips. The landing page is here. This I got from some Notion documentation I found somewhere in the big wide internet. And tick.tips, I go to DNS records and add not an AAA, whatever, HTTPS, whatever, just a text file here. Put in this one. And then I go to this, to my page. Where is it? Let's go here, file. Oh no, I was finding the shortcut here somewhere. Now let's go in here to the, I think it was here. Site settings here, there we go. Manage sites and links, there we go. And if I go to general, I have here this ID. I copy it in here. And there we go. Save it, it will be taken in quotation marks. And let's see, that now it's a bit of a waiting time. Tick.tips. Okay, it's not working yet, but let's wait a bit. Okay. Oh, the most important thing I forgot, we need to activate a flexible TLS here, put it on flexible. And encryption mode, it's cool to scan it periodically. So I go to Edge certificates. I don't upload anything because it's a paid plan. Total TLS is also paid plan, and then always use HTTPS. It's a good thing. You can also enable HTTPS, but you can also leave it, and you can also activate the transparency monitoring but it's not working at the moment because the name server is not properly set yet. Okay. Okay, I think there we go. That should be it for now. Let's proxy, DNS only, root domain, that's also cool, tick.tips, that's fine. And there we go. Yeah, there we go. Let's refresh the page. Oh, what a smile, huh? Tick.tips, it's also not working. Not working yet. Okay, cool. Then we can go with the landing page. Landing page it. There we go. To get the proper landing page, I need to create fill-out form, and to have a fill-out form collected also in Notion, we can collect it right away. I again create a page, and this is should be a database. I can click on database here. Let's put in an empty database. You can also create one with AI. Tick.tip submissions should be that. You put in an email collection field and also some submission ID thingy. So there we go. Now there's the name, like first name, last name. You can also put this extra if you like. Well, let's do it here. Like, why not? Let's put it in here. First name, last name. So last name will be the guiding thing, and we have a first name here, last name. You can also switch it up. It doesn't matter. Okay. So like this, and the next thing is it's probably done. Yeah, it's on the bottom. You can move it up here. And the next thing is we want to have a freebie, right? So some free stuff to give freebie. I call it as freebie or ebook. Let's put ebook or free goodie. There you go. And in this case, I put the free goodies of this tick.tips in here. Why not, right? It's cool. Like if you want to rebuild it, there you go. Also, you have a few other links here of Notion.site. You have a few more infos about DNS security, and there's an email where you can rename the relinking with runners, like it's explaining runners, and it's a bit more technical. I haven't done it yet, but it's definitely working, and yeah, that's quite nice thing. Also completely free, and this can be set up in Cloudflare. So then we got this one done. We got this one done. Then the next thing is Gmail. I got a free Gmail account already, and Notion account I created also. I'm done here, and now we are on the fill out side here. There we go. I'm edited with a Stream Deck. I have here some buttons lying around. So let's go here and do the fill out form. You see there's a fill out for Time System Pro, freebie mail. Let's refresh the page. It should be renamed already differently. Yeah, ingemichalski.com. That's my other page. And let's create a new form. This time, let's connect to Notion right away. You can also do it later, but let's just do it right away. So let's take a dark mode thingy. So it's quite nice with the dark mode. And fill out is quite cool. You can even make a sales page with it. You can connect a Stripe payment system to it and all this stuff. So it's really cool. Usually it will ask you to connect it to the Notion page, put in your Notion credentials, and that's fine. So then it's connected to your Notion account, and this extremely reliable and quite robust. So others oftentimes have some issues with that. So you see there's Time System Pro mail collection, there's TickTip submissions that's already showing up here. I take this one, create a form. It's tick.tips. That's my tick.tips connection form. And yeah, you see here some, let's say an email field. Let's put it in here, put the email address. That's what we collect. There is will be a first name, a last name, and submission ID will connect later. So submit, there we go. And the second thing is I want to change the theme a little bit. I can edit it because the background is not matching my Notion page. Let's take this landing page. There is a little, oh, it's not here. That's not here. Free goodies. Let's go here to my times tick tips here. There you got this one. Go back to my landing page, share it again, and go here. I open it here. Boom. There you go. Oh, what's also quite cool is to make design sounds here. So when I'm typing, you will see it. So, but this is not a pure black. This is something else, some different color. There's an extension here, and let's go here. Somehow it's working. How is it working? Ah, there you go. No, not like that. Color picker enabled. Try to reload the page. Let's see how that goes. There you go. So I can click here and have here a 1919. That's the color code of the background from Notion in the dark mode. Yeah, so it's quite a handy extension for design thingies. So what do I do? This is a different background. I put it in here, 1919. And now we have the perfect color matching, and yeah, this there is a little can you see it here? How to there you go. More. So let's go here. Now you see here when I'm typing something. I can also take exactly this color here. Copy it. So there we go. And now I can put in this exact color here. So then now it's perfectly working for my thing, for my page. Now I can copy it, put it on the landing page. Not from, it should be from, but anyways. Then I click on embed. Boom, there you go. And it's seamlessly going here into this page, and there you go. Tick.tips, and it's the large one. That's default. You can also put in a logo or whatever, but you can also I leave it all out how it is. Then I go to integrate because I want to have the submission ID as well, and this is also a way you can also create and assign the fields to the form later on. There's a submission ID field. This is the mapping in the Notion on the Notion side. This is the form side, and the submission ID is generated automatically on submission. Press update. There we go. And now we are already in the workflow state. There you see lots of workflows with AI even in between, some different filters. But I will take a little thank you email workout with the link to the Notion goodie. I click then here on edit. There we can add a button. It's amazing that it's all free. So and now I will find my ebook free goodie page. That's here. Share, publish, and yeah, just leave the link as it is. Remove the this one, styling, get it in dark mode because I like the dark mode. Upload a little favicon again. So there we go. Boom. Publish changes. And there you got your free goodies. And I go back here. Get the button again. Instead, shouldn't go to philo.com. It should go to this link now. Button text I can define. Get your free goodies. Oh, not great. Let's say grab. There you go. Grab. So there we go. Button color. Maybe. That's quite cool in Windows. I can get this one here. Now I have the perfect color as well. So it's I'm all about branding and recognizing the proper colors, and now it seems like it's doing good. Okay, then I can do a little preview, and something was sent to my email. That's nice. Let's go to my emails and see if I received something. I received this one. Boom. And hi there. That's very good. Grab your free goodies. Now this is what was inserted. Like that's my first name, last name, and an example site. Click on here, and it's bringing me to the Notion site. Boom. There you go. That's how it's supposed to be. And it looks quite professional. It's obviously with some marketing, whatever, branding here, fill out form and whatever. But I think that's cool. That's very cool for the beginning. And yeah, very great. Yeah, I was doing the verification process earlier, so that's quite cool. So there we go. Let's see what the DNS record is doing here. Tick.tips. Is it doing something else? Oh, what's quite cool for the in the fill out form is that you can put in more fields. Like for example, we can put in some trigger. Let's play around a little bit. That's quite cool here. There I can close the designer, and then I can put here, for example, checkbox. Interested in time management. Or here, I am interested in time management. So there we go. And what you can do is here put it in the mail collection. There we can put in a checkbox. Boom. And this Time System Pro. No, I don't want to go here. I wanted to go here to my tick tips. So there we go. Tick tip submissions. And here make a little checkbox. And then I can integrate it here and click on this Notion thing, add new. I need to refresh it, I guess, or update it. I'm not sure. Is it still there? Edit. I'm interested here. Okay, publish. Okay, again, integrate here. Add new, and there should be a first submission ID. It's not there yet. Why is it not there yet? I need to refresh this one. There we go. Click on this little icon there we go. And now I got the checkbox. And now I can connect it to interest in time management. I can also rename it interested in time management MGMT. So there we go. This you can rename it even afterwards, because there's a column ID, and it's connecting to the column ID. So even if you rename it later on, that should be cool. But let's see if I refresh it. Yeah, that's true. Always testing it, right? So it's cool. It's refreshed to time management because it's connected to an ID. So, and now let's test it. Maybe we are lucky and it's already found something here. Tick.tips. If we are lucky. No, not yet. So not found yet. Okay, it might take a bit longer. Okay, then we are going here to the Tick.tips landing page and going with that one. I mean, it would also be fine to just use it, but it's not as nice as. So if you want to go completely free, you can just take a Tick.tips link. So first name, Ingo Michalski. So there we go, and I checkmark this one. I'm interested in time management stuff. Time management, okay. Boom. There we go. And what we get now here is a submission. Boom, that's there. And the cool thing here, and that the tick was not ticked. It was not ticked. Okay, good to know. Let's see if it was ticked there. Good to know. But yeah, it's always good to test it. So what we can do now is we can export it as CSV, and this is quite unique, quite common. The CSV file, so you can import it to any mail provider later on as well. Yeah. So there we go. Yeah, ebook free goodies. Let's upload a file here. Let's say we can also upload time management file. What would we take here? Let's take something from time management project. Let's take the system. Is it here? No. Where do we have it? Here. So there we go. And put this up again as well. We have an ebook, free goodies, and we could also put up an ebook or whatever. And yeah, let's check my emails again. Have we received it? There we go. It's now active. Cloudflare tick.tips like okay, was just activated a few minutes ago. Let's see how that goes. This submission was received. Let's refresh the page. Grab your free goodies. Okay, that's the example thing. Maybe I mistyped something. Or I haven't submitted it properly. 1 second, let's double check. So it should have some results already. No, so djingo@gmail.com. That's perfectly fine. I'm interested in time management. Okay. Integrate workflow. Let's check. It's disabled yet. It's not published. You see? It says disabled. So I need to publish this one as well. So let's publish it. Okay, cool. And what I could potentially do now is I could also send an email, and I can only send it if ABC condition is active. You know. Let's say pick item send to first name. Send to first name, so we can send it to the email. We connect the email in advance, and there could be some, there's a figured out email, so I'm not getting spammed. That's cool here. Okay, I can put it in here. I think I need to put something else in here. There should be a branch. There you go. And in the branch, I can make a condition, select I'm interested is set, boom, and then it's going here. And if it's not checked, I'm going here. I'm also using this email. Thank you for your submission, but then I can put in a different goodie. For example, what do I put in here? Let's make it undone. And here, make also a condition. It's not set, boom. So they can create a complete workflow. And the cool thing is that I can also make an AI filter in between it. So I can even if someone didn't fill out the first name, I can make it change it to Mr. or something, Mr. whatever. If someone just put in the last name or left something out, you can also make some fields required. We also should do this. The fields as required. That's a good idea. So there we go. Get started. Okay, this should be required. This should be required, and definitely this should be required. So, and this is optional. Yeah. So there we go. And go back to the workflow. And yeah, I haven't published it. So let's go here. And I can create a button again here. And let's go here to my other stuff here. Let's go here to time system. Let's go to the general free PDF page. So just as an example, so you can This way you can guide the people wherever you need them to go. Yeah. And putting here the proper color in here. I haven't done this yet. So let's take this one again. Branding. Okay, and publish it. And now only if something is ticked, it should go to the left mail and get the time management tick. Else it should go to the general channel. That's quite cool. Let's test it and run the workflow. Something is submitted. It should be already in here in my tick tips. You see, it's quite elegantly done, and I can make some notes to this one and add whatever I want to do. So there we got this one. There we got the submissions. And one thing I don't like is that it was not ticked here. But we'll have a look what this might be, and let's check out if my email arrived in my inbox. Submission was received. There we go. Michalski, I'm interested in time management. Yes, and grab the free goodies. Boom, there we go. And I got the Compass page here as well. I click on here. Boom, it's opening it. It can be downloaded, printed, and it's really like a giveaway. Yeah, it can also be an ebook or whatever. Yeah. There's also like this process by tick.tips. That's quite cool. And yeah, there we go. Done and set. Now let's see if it should work already. Maybe I've forgotten something. Can I go to here? Okay. So if this is not working, what we can do is we can use a site like this and go here with tick.tips and see what's going on. Check both HTTP and see what error might be here. Maybe I've forgotten something. Takes a bit. Okay, and start. Okay, it will take a time. Okay, cool. And double check everything here. This is here, this is there. CNMA www. I think I need to edit this one in here. So I need to put it like this so I can change it. Let's take this one here. That should then fill it out with a renaming. So maybe that helps. Then let's double check the redirection rules. Maybe just put it on temporary. Maybe that's faster. Let's double check here in my other settings, Time System Pro. That should be it. Okay. I'll show you here. I got the same thing here going. It's also temporary redirect. Anyways, should be it. Notion site landing page, blah blah. Notion site landing page, blah blah. That's also working fine. Then double check the other stuff. Let's go here with TSSL. Settings. Configuration, Cloudflare, monitoring, why not? Well, this looks quite good. Overview for security, okay. Then here, not secure, configure, check if it, we can also make it automatically. This can be done. Should also be fine. Should check it automatically. Let's see how that goes. So, yeah, pending on validation. Okay, this is still pending on validation. That's why it's not working yet. It's managed. Okay, this might take a time. I think yesterday it took 4 to 5 hours with a different domain, but with with that one domain here, it was working quite fast. Yeah, then when it's activated, it says it's active, and then we're good to go. This time system.pro. Time system.pro. That's cool. Managed. So there you go. Yeah. So that's fine. Okay. It just takes a while till it's done. So this is the certificate validity. And maybe this is working already now. Transparency mode. No, that's quite cool. And can be also disabled and enabled again. Sometimes this also helps, but probably not in this case. There we go. Maybe it helped. No, it doesn't help. Okay, because this MSS certificate is still pending. Okay, but it looks good so far. Records are set properly. It's properly set to the Notion side. The redirect is doing fine. Name servers are active. There you go. It's just waiting, and yeah, you can check out later. It was working fine.